guys, it's Miss Emily. So I'm going to do a first author lesson with you today on video since we can't be in school together. So I'm going to start it just like I always do when we're at school, when I say, who in here is an author? And I hope that all of you said, I'm an author. Because remember, we're all authors. Anybody that can write words on a paper about a topic is an author. So today we're going to do a mini lesson just like we would in class, and we're going to talk about writing about an event that happened. So when you're choosing your topic, there's different ways that you can find a picture. You can draw a picture of your own. You can cut a picture from a magazine. You can also get one off of Google Images on the computer. But make sure you ask a family member, mom or dad, to help you, and if it's okay to do that. You can also use family pictures. So there's lots of different ways you can find your pictures that you can write about at home. So I went and found something easy for me to look for today was just a picture. So this is a picture, I'll try to show that to you here, that I'm going to use to show you my writing today. So that's going to be my picture. I'm going to hook it up here. And that was a picture of last Mother's Day when my family went to my son Will's soccer game. So that's what I'm going to write about today. I'm going to use that as my picture. So I'm going to demonstrate for you how we might write about a past event. So when we talk about a past event, you can write what happened first, next, and last. So that'll help you remember all the things you need to write about what happened. So starting my writing today, let's see, it's a little tricky here. I'm going to write my name at the top. We always start by writing our name, and I am going to write the date. So the day that I'm doing this is Sunday, April 25th. So I'm going to write 4/25/20. So that's how we start our writing here. And now I'm going to start to write about my picture, which is the event. So I'm going to start just by telling my story here, and I'm going to write that last Mother's Day, my family went to my son Will's soccer game. Remember, I'm starting my sentences with a capital letter. I'm ending my sentences with a punctuation. I'm using a period here. It's just a statement. Last Mother's Day, my family went to my son Will's soccer game. The first thing that happened, I can say, first, Will's team won the game. After the game was over, I can say, next, Will gave me a rose. You can see that in the picture. He gave me a rose for Mother's Day. So the first thing that happened was Will's team won the game. Next, Will gave me a rose. And last, we went to a restaurant for a family dinner. so far I have here, last Mother's Day, my family went to my son Will's soccer game. First, Will's, let's see if I can get that whole thing in here. Will's team won the game. Next, Will gave me a rose. Last, we went to a restaurant for a family dinner. And I'm going to end my writing here just by saying it was a fun day. Okay, so I make sure to tell you all about what happened at my event that I'm talking about by telling you what happened first, next, and last. I used capital letters to start my sentences, and I used periods or punctuation at the end of my sentences. So now that you saw me practice writing, it's going to be time for you guys to write. So remember, first, you're going to choose a topic. And we talked about the different ways you can draw a picture or find a picture, maybe a family photo that you already have in the house, or a picture from a book, or print one out from the computer if mom or dad says it's okay. And then you're going to write all about that picture. And then you're going to take a picture of your words and your sentences, all the words. Remember to write more, so write as much as you can about your topic. And then you can take a picture of it, or mom or dad can help you take a picture of it to send to me. Or maybe you're going to type it right on the computer and you can send that to me, to my email too, so I can see your work. I miss seeing your guys' work. I want to see all the wonderful things that you're going to write about. Okay, so don't forget to send it to me. You can email it or you can text me, and mom and dad can help you with that. Okay, so if you look on this week's email and on our class website, you should have a writing page. So if you want to print that out and do your writing on that, or you can do it on any paper that you might have at home. Or maybe you're going to type it right onto the computer, and that's okay too. Okay, so we're going to end our first author lesson just like we do in school, and I'm going to say, now it's time to write. So go get writing and make sure to share your work with me. All right, can't wait to see it. Bye.